Hello, welcome back to another video with me. My name is Karan and I am the head teacher at Enguru. In this video, we are going to look at some common problems that a lot of our learners face with phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are nothing but 2 or 3 words put together that are action words. For example, a very common one. I wake up at 6 a.m. Over here, wake and up together form an action, and because it is more than one word, it's a phrase. So, it's a phrasal verb. With this, let's get started with the video. By the way, this video is brought to you by Enguru Spoken English app.
Enguru offers live classes every day, interactive sessions, expert Enguru teachers, and a certificate from Enguru. So, to continue learning, download the Enguru app today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Let's look at the first error. The most common one is where people have an incorrect word order. For example, a lot of people say she up got early. But you know what that is, right? It's supposed to be she got up early. Another one is where learners usually separate the verb and the particle. Particle over here could be anything. It could be an article or it could be a preposition. In this particular example, it's going to be a preposition. A common error would be he looked the answer up in the dictionary. However, it should be he looked up the answer in the dictionary. A lot of other times people don't know which verb to use when talking about phrasal verbs, which brings us to error number 3, using the incorrect verb. For example, she put off her shoes at the door. That's not right, is it? It's supposed to be she took off her shoes at the door. Number 4 is using the incorrect word after the verb. For example, he's going to ask for the meeting on Monday. This is incorrect. However, the correct way of saying it is he's going to ask about the meeting on Monday. And lastly, the 5th error is using phrasal verbs that actually don't exist. For example, the word overeat. She tried to overeat the delicious cake. Well, she may have, but I'm not sure what you mean by that, because the correct sentence is she tried to eat too much of the delicious cake. Well, this brings us to the end of our video. Remember, phrasal verbs can be quite tricky to master, but on the other hand, you also have your Enguru classes. So, what are you waiting for? Download the Enguru app today and come join a live class with me. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Happy learning!